Hello everyone. Today I'm working with a client who asked me to replace one of the glass panels on the roof of his country house. The roof of the porch has 3 rectangular openings covered with glass panels. One of the glass panels cracked. It developed 3 large cracks, possibly due to something falling on it or temperature changes. In any case, the client asked me to replace it. I carefully removed the damaged glass, which was attached with a silicone layer, and installed a new one. Around the glass panels, I applied a small layer of plaster to smooth out the concrete irregularities and give it a neat appearance. Now the roof looks as good as new. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in future projects.